We're going to take a look at this 14 cup coffee grinder. I have it already loaded with some coffee beans and the hopper up top. The hopper is of course bigger than the, where it catches the beans. This fits in here pretty snugly actually, which is good. You'll get a good seal so that the grinds won't go all over the place. You push that in nice and snug. You choose on the top here how many cups you want it to grind during the grind cycle. And then over here you choose how fine or coarse you want the grind. And you just press the power button here. And let the grinder do the rest. And it automatically shuts off when it has the amount of grinds that you chose at the top. And you pull this out. And there you have your grinds. Pretty nice.